Hello my friends! In this video I decided to tell you the story about how to collect and how to find parasitoids or parasitic Hymenoptera. I study parasitic Hymenoptera, most egg parasitoids, but also I collect some other parasitoids and how I can do it. First of all, you can use different plastic jars like these boxes. Definitely it's easy to find it. You can put here some samples and you can rear your material from your samples. And don't forget, but you must put here not only your samples but also sheet of this filter paper. Otherwise your material will be completely destroyed. What you can put here inside? Of course, different plant materials. It can be pieces of stems, some branches, some leaves, some seeds, or maybe even some fruits. And the second method, not only boxes, but you can use also small or big, for instance, plastic bags. Of course, if you can put here small amount of leaves, it's okay. But if you can put more leaves, they will be destroyed sooner. So don't forget about filter paper to take off water. Otherwise they will be rotten here and destroyed. But if you can collect some samples with seeds, because they are dry, so insects will emerge from seeds. So it can be phytophagous insects or can be parasitic insects developing on other insects on their hosts. So they'll emerge and will come upward, and you can find them here just near the exit or just over the closed sealed part of this bag. Easy to collect and separate them in other glass or plastic tubes. And of course for that you can use different tubes to keep insects inside. These plastic tubes, you can fix your insects, your parasitoids inside plastic jars with alcohol 70% or 86% ethanol, or just fix it just dry and close it by cotton. So dry insects can be easily saved and very available for identification. On the other method, of course, you can use, for instance, this type of jars. You need to make here just a hole, close it by mesh, and insects will develop inside your sample. So water will evaporate here slowly, and your insects, your hosts or parasitoids will come and will emerge inside these jars. Or you can use, for instance, this cloth tissue bag. So bag which was made from cloth tissue. Here you can put, for instance, some seeds, some fruits maybe, dry, so they will dry slowly here, insects will come out. And how you can find them? Inside? No. You can do it like that. You can attach, you can tie by string or rope your cloth bag closely here, carefully, to this half a liter or 1 liter glass jar. So insects, they have positive phototoxicity, will come out. And here we can watch. Yeah, I see here some parasitoids, some insects, they emerged from this bag and they collected here, and you can separate them inside small bag. And how to save your material for identification. Your material must be identified. For that you can use either plastic tubes, this for very convenient screwed tubes with caps, or you can use just simply this tubes, or another method. If you don't have these lovely tubes, you can use this stuff. Very common stuff for your aquariums, for water aeration. So you can cut this plastic, on small pieces, about 1 centimeter long, close them from both sides by cotton, and insects can be easily saved inside this plastic tubes. You can put this tube on a pin, put here of course a label with place, country, place, name of collector, maybe label with identification. It's all plant from which imaged or host name, and of course this will be just part of your collection. This material can be used for identification. And this plastic tube you can easily find either in pharmacy or, for instance, in a zoo market. As I said, it's used for your aquarium water aeration. So that's some of methods, very convenient, usable for insects rearing or for parasitic Hymenoptera rearing. So make these cloth bags, use these glass jars, attach them together and use it for rearing of hosts, their parasitoids, and for your study, of biodiversity, trophical relations, and maybe just you can find new species for your region, for your country, and it will be good for publication. And contact us, we can discuss these methods, we can discuss problems of your identification of your material, and we can consult you. You give your advices, or maybe species identification of this material, parasitic Hymenoptera. That's some of methods. It's nice to meet you, and see you soon in other videos, and good luck collecting parasitic Hymenoptera and their hosts, and good luck collecting. Good luck.